to the Scrap Zone. This is Julie, and I wanted to share with you this cute project I've just completed. I'm calling it a Suitcase of Memories. I completed this project using the new paper pack from Close to My Heart. It's the Central Park paper pack. It's beautiful. It's got tons of lovely colors, and it lends itself to almost any occasion. So I thought, why not make something a little different this time around? So this little suitcase is a Cricut Design Space file where it cuts all of the pieces for you. On the front here I've used a few elements. I've used the PML cards, I've used complements. These here are actually really pretty. They are vellum, and this here is the little luggage tag is a Cricut shape. All of it is done using the file. So let's go take a look inside. So when you open it, the first thing you'll see is a really nice pop of color. You have here booklet number 1. So booklet number 1, again, all of these are Cricut's shapes, and they're all in the file. It was sized to put a 4x6 picture, and you can actually put smaller pictures. Each little booklet holds approximately 14 or 13 pictures, and I tried to keep them all standard size to make it easy on you. So these ones here, definitely you just slap on your 4x6 picture and you're ready to go. So there's no guessing for you because the file, again, will cut all of these pieces. I really like that because it's nice and fast. So this is booklet number 1. Booklet number 2 is done on the horizontal, and again, all of these shapes are from the Cricut You Are Here cartridge. It's exclusive to Close to My Heart. And these ones here, what's nice about it is that you can put them horizontally or vertically. I love the middle page. The middle page is always the pop of color. Another tag. And 2 large photos. The last one here. So they're pretty much all the same. I'd say that it takes about an hour to put each of the little booklets together, and the suitcase takes about an hour. I've got a little assembly video if you want to see that as well, on how it was all put together. And then inside I've snuck in a few PML cards, and I'm going to add probably the date and the trips that hopefully we're going to take this summer. So this is super fun. It's just a little twist, something different. I hope you like it, and enjoy your summer trips. Have a nice day.